Hey Sugar Wugas, what's up? You know, I'm back at y'all again with another video. And yes, I am home, my Sugar Wugas. And it's pretty late and I decided to show you guys what I'm having today. I'm having my favorite, one of my favorites actually. I like America's Best. I like their subs and I love their wings and their fries. I got all flats, I got lemon pepper, and I got a cheesesteak today, provolone cheese. The onions are fried hard, and lettuce and tomato. Let me pray, and so I can get started. Not too much talking, because I'm hungry. I'm gonna get right into it. Okay. Amen. Okay. Now I have mumbo sauce, and I have ketchup, and I have some ranch for my chicken. Okay. And then I'm opening up my ranch. How y'all feeling today, my Sugar Wugas? How y'all feeling today? What y'all eating? You know, at first I was going to do Taco Bell because I was working, you know, riding around, and in between working, I I just stir fries and I got this. Right. That's good. This sauce be on point. I like the big fat stocky subs too sometimes, I do. But it's safe. I got my wings after done. Probably put that in my ranch, y'all. All flats, because I like flats, y'all. Good. Something like that, though. And you know, I didn't know where I was gonna do my little video at. So that's Winston. If y'all heard that, Winston. I like the crunch, y'all. Yeah. Right. Y'all want some? You know, there's a whole person in there. I'm trying to tell you. Yeah. Oh, like I was gonna say. I knew I was saying something. When I was working, I was watching YouTube in between, and while I was working, I was watching Zaddy Chunk Chunk and Darius and Nicole, of course. They had Taco Bell, and they made me want Taco Bell so bad. I was gonna get Taco Bell. Then I started thinking about. Then I started watching another one. They're eating chicken wings, and I said, you know what? Let me get some chicken in the sub. And I also was thinking about, I wanted some shrimp and potatoes and corn. So I was like, I like to steam my own stuff. And who's steaming at this hour? Not me. Because it's late. And I ain't feel it. Nope. Look at that. I gotta think my little bit straight now again. Don't know. It's good. Y'all better go get y'all sub, chicken and fries. And eat with me. This is special. When you get sub, fries, and how many I have? And 5 wings. And a soda for $13. $13. So look. So I was out there in the storm. Driving around in the storm, yeah. And I actually almost got stuck in the flood. But I made it through one of the cars. It was real high too. And I actually had a passenger. And they was determined to get to this restaurant and all that. I had to keep going around different streets and just to get around the flood. People was actually stuck. Like in all that water. And fire people had to come and try to get them out. And it was right in front of me actually. I was like, oh no. They went first, and they got stuck. And I was telling the pastor, I said, look, y'all might have to find another restaurant to go to, or y'all just not going to get there today, because I ain't going through the flood trying to get stuck. But luckily, I kept making turns and I was able to get there. But I was like, they were serious. They really wanted to get to that restaurant. And all that. I got them there though. This is filling, y'all. No wings. Some of y'all be having y'all set up all pretty and beautiful. You know what? The gesture is nice. I'm sorry, that was Winston. I had to. Did y'all see that? He is doing the most right now. He is really doing the most. Like, really. That's Mason's cat. Coke. Comment below if y'all watch this show, Stranger Things. Because I don't. I just like this. I like this shirt. But comment below and tell me if it's a good show and if I should watch it. Is it worth watching? Stranger Things. Tell me all about it. You know what? I said, when I get more subscribers and a whole bunch of subscribers, I'm gonna do it to a Q&A. But if y'all got some questions and y'all just feel like y'all wanna know anything, ask me. Give me some questions and I'll answer them. Lemon pepper. Lemon pepper. Look at that lemon. You can see the lemon in there. Lemon. You know what? These are really lemony. I ain't heard that. Excuse me, y'all. I'm getting full. Y'all know I'm getting full. See something? That other one. Okay. It's all put together on the. I know, and trust me, I know where to go and get them big overstuffed subs, and you be just struggling trying to bite it because it's so sloppy. I know where to get those too, and I absolutely love those kind of subs too. But as you can see, excuse me, American Best don't have it all overflowing and everything. It's just put together, easy to bite, but the flavor is good. Don't when y'all be even if you first started or you still do this, don't y'all still sometimes be tripping off yourself when y'all doing videos? You sitting here talking. I mean, I know I'm talking to y'all, and if y'all still with me listening, but don't y'all be tripping yourself out. Yeah, I trip myself out all the time. I'm my #1 fan. I'm my #1 fan, y'all. Can y'all believe that? Who said? Y'all probably say, you should be. Yeah. Y'all probably say, y'all playing food. Did y'all check out my little crab feast I had? Oh, it ain't over. It's not over. I got something else coming. Because that's how we do over here in Baltimore. a little tray. I don't want no tray. One day I'm gonna try to make, one day y'all gonna come on here and watch it, and y'all can see the whole setup, like flowers and stuff. Set up my whole dish, all of it. This cat is really going crazy, y'all. I'm serious. It's distracting me. Oh, look, my little locket. I like this little thing. I do. You can put little charms on the inside of it, things that mean so much to you. Look at my own. I have a cross, my birthstone, and I have another little symbol in there, but I'm not going to tell you what it is. But it's a symbol in there. Don't. Yep. You see me struggling, y'all? Yeah, I say I'm struggling. I'm struggling. I'm always struggling. You see that little bite? And then you get a little delirious when you're sleepy. I'm not going to leave this one piece of chicken on. No, I will not. I'm going to eat that. I'm going to eat this. Did I tell you I got them fried extra hard? Because I like my chicken fried extra hard. You know how... Did this ever happen to y'all too? I'm sure it do. But you know what, be right if I ask, because you got to comment below about it. Do y'all like your chicken fried extra hard? And then sometimes, when you get tired of eating it, you just start finding things wrong with it. Because now I taste all the lemon. It's good, y'all. Lemon. If you like lemon. That one right here. Oh, yeah. I'm done. I'm done. Yeah. So, taking a long time to choose food up. No. Putting this out, though. Yep. I'm done. Yep. So, look. Winston. Alright, you guys. Okay. I'm about to let y'all go if you already didn't let me go. Okay, my sugar brothers, look. Do not forget to subscribe. Thumbs up this video. Show Sugar Mama some love. And comment, share, all that good stuff. Okay, my sugar brothers. And I'll see y'all on my next video.